Your Baby is sponsored by Intermountain Health and the Utah Department of Health and Human Services.
Pregnancy often brings a mix of excitement and fear, with many unknowns, especially surrounding childbirth.
I don't know when I'm supposed to go to labor and delivery. I don't know what a contraction is going to feel like. How am I going to know if my water is actually broken?
One of the best ways to put parents at ease is childbirth education classes, which encourage positive affirmations during labor and delivery.
An affirmation is a personal mission statement that kind of helps build moms up, and to build their support people up, to be able to get that in their mind.
These short, positive statements can help moms feel empowered and remind them they can accomplish hard things.
Women have been, questioning them, can I do this? And so absolutely, I am made for this. I'm made to be able to have these contractions, made to be able to give birth. I can do hard things. I can get through this next contraction. I'm doing this for me and my baby. I love my baby and my baby loves me.
Words are powerful. The more you say it, the more your brain will believe it.
Go ahead, put them on your bathroom mirror, a place that you're going to see them often. Put them on your refrigerator. You can use them as a screensaver on your phone. You can use them if you work with a laptop, put them on your laptop so you're constantly seeing them over and over and over.
I'm Kristen Kenny, and to find childbirth education classes, visit KUTV.com and click on the Baby Your Baby tab.